Hello viewers, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. And if today is the first time coming here, we say a very big welcome to you. I just finished the live training, and I'm dropping this video for you all at the same time, in as much as review and the same time it's training, because a lot of people, they were doing this while other persons been making money over their mistakes. So let's stop this mistake one time. How can you make a face cream for yourself that you can use at home? And I said I call it a smart face cream, because I do call a lot of my face cream smart face cream. It's not going to take much, but they are all accurate and resultful for see. All right, when you see a result that is really fully loaded and you saw this thing work for you, we keep doing it. So it is what it is. So let's begin. A lot of people, they do use this product and they will see one thing or two things written on it, they don't give attention to it. That is where the mistakes start. In as much your vendor has shown you everything, taught you how to do going back to but the whole mistake comes from you sometimes, so it's not on this vendor, right? This face cream, if you look very well, you must see somewhere they write that it's for this, it's for this, it's for that section. They call it it's quite resourceful though. So that section where the information given about this product was being worked for and how effective it is. So this product, you must see somewhere that will say it lightens, it tones, whitens. That is why, that's not reason they will put all these selling point phases that is returning from one level to another level. Please always pay attention to those. Ask. Did they tell you 7 days? Even the one they said 7 days, 3 days. It's not 7 days, not 3 days. You still see some error. But why would you think that when you're using this face cream, it will make your face light up in 3 days or 7 days? And not gonna happen. All right. So you should understand that no matter they put all those selling point product, it's a lightning property. It's a lightning. They work this product for you with a light. It's gonna lighten you, but it's gradually. Have that in mind, that it's gradually. That is where I'm getting you to. So now we'll be using 2 face cream as our base cream, and this 2 face cream, what they said about them, that it lightens you, it can lighten your elbow. So something that can lighten your elbow can lighten your face very well. So, and basically it's face cream. And again, this one will be adding to it, lighten your face. Like I know vividly, I've used it time without number for all my customers, or most of my customers, or those that they will all declare it that please use this, or make it as a request, use this for me. It's very helpful. All right, so now we're using these 2 as our base, and basically they will say 50 ml, which is not 50 ml, it's not up to, some might be just 35 or 40, all right, or 45. So let's say 50 ml. This one is 50 ml. Baby Clear is 50 ml. The Fit Gold is 50 ml. So let's say they are 100 ml. So now when you open them in a bowl, listen, them like that, but we want to promix them, all right, successfully. All right, when you open them in the bowl, I will tell you for free, like what my friend always say, yeah, when you use this, some person said you can use all of it, turn them inside a face cream, it will be watery. Do not turn all of them, use a drop. When I always say a drop, you can use a drop. There's something we used to there's always a tube, pick it up as a drop, or you can take mixing, because in the live video I did, not all of you are there, but this one, a lot of people will see this one also. So you can also use it either a drop, or you can use half of teaspoon, either a drop or half of teaspoon. I might not really, in the live video I said just a drop, but you can use half of teaspoon or a drop. All right, you add it to it, because this one is also, let me tell you about this. This one is also very, very nice. It works perfectly, but it's not in 3 days, not in known time or due time. All right, if you guys exercise patient, all right, mix it with your face cream or your body cream. It's very, very effective as well. When you use the wrong one, there comes a problem. wrong one, you can also use it. All right, now I want to show you this also. The ones I show you there, that if I tell you use half teaspoon, you can also use them for a drop. You can use those of you that you have a sensitive face cream, because I do say a lot of people, everybody has sensitive face cream. What might be irritating your face might be good for others. So it is what it is. For those of you who claim you can use a drop, but if your face is okay, you can accommodate, don't use it, or please use half of teaspoon, just a cover, half of teaspoon then half. All right, yes, the one I would tell you, a drop is a drop, a drop is a drop. All right, so now like this one, when I say a drop is a drop, use a drop of this if you're using this, please don't put lactic acid anymore. If you're using this, don't put lactic acid, use a drop of this one. All right, now also we're using this BB clear. Also, you can use half of teaspoon, all right, or you can use a drop, half of teaspoon, or you can use a drop. All right, it is what it is. I just want to make this video a quick one. Now let me show you what you don't know about it. You use this one, if you want to use, if it's not going to make your cream water, you want to use all of it, fine, but our advice is just to use half of teaspoon, or just teaspoon, all right, or half of teaspoon, or you want to just a bit of it. All right, because what can really make your face smooth might cause irritation to someone else. So it's all skin type, all right, but it is what it is. All right, so this, I keep saying it, so when you see anything like this, don't use it. This one is a fake one. Look at it, it's brown. If I open it now, it's brown. It might be really smelling. All right, yes, a lot of people, they fall the victim for low place, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Guinea, a lot of those places, they will say, how can you get this to us, Libya? So who don't really have it, who must have maneuvered it down to that place, maybe before getting there is expired, and they will still sell it. The one that is spoiled is always watery. It's always watery and brown. Please note that the bottle, if you look the bottle, it's yellow. So it is what it is. The main product is yellow, not brown. So if you see the brown shaking, you will know that it's fake. It's fake. But this one I'm holding is fake. All right. So when you get the real one, use the real one, as I said. Okay. So now, all what we just done now is just for normal, regular, nice face cream. You can add your glycerin, and also you can add your, when you add your glycerin, just small of it, and also to make it more effective. All right, now do not forget that if you want to add more, so people, they do add more of those things without knowing the percentage, without knowing what it works for. And I told you that if we go through all this now, you see that they are all lightning property. All right, in as much you know that this one is lightning, is percentage you should put. Please note, if you're not type that always want to add this, sort of add a lot of things to your product, thinking to be more effective, no, before you know, your product get brand. So we'll be adding hydroquinone, you don't even know different powders, just to make this. It doesn't work that way. Whoever that taught you that, no, see, come on, come for training, and I will show you how you can make your own ebook in the training. I don't give ebook, because if I give you the ebook, it won't help you. All right, so it will look like I'm saying jargons. I'm saying, so I don't give you ebook. Come, but we train you. If it is video call, we train, tell you put this, you put it, you'll be asked a question. On that note, you'll be making your own ebook that you can understand. It is what it is. Nobody make, and you think, even those, why are they giving you ebook and you say ask questions? So it is what is better for you when you make your own ebook by have no question. If you want to ask questions, they will not be intelligent questions. So now, as we say, now when you put your glycerin, do not forget, now let's balance the pH now. Please, this thing might be very perfect, and on my face and on someone's face, it will be very hot. So now we decide to put our original aloe vera. All right, yes, you just put your aloe vera. Don't make it water. You just put a bit of aloe vera, like just put 1 teaspoon or half of a teaspoon, and blend. All right, when you not blend, you think this thing need, you're not going to use it, you're not going to finish it on time. For all this we've just put now, you didn't put much oil into it, so you can say, okay, let me bind it together with preservative. You bind it all of it to preserve it not to spoil. All right, but that is not 3 days. That is not 3 days whitening lotion. Who said that? Not regular smart face room. Now let's make it 3 days whitening lotion. Just only one thing. That's what you see on your screen now. That is what we call Blend Pro 9. See, we had all this. Buy your own face cream, be dark as whatever you are dark, and continue using our Blend Pro 9 to mix your face, to always tone your face. Use it to mix your product. Use it to mix any of your product. To mix your face. And if you can do all this I just said, and you want us to promise for you, we have better product. We have better product that they will sell your skin. Like when I say 3 days and 3 days. Way back when I used to lighten up modern days, like sharper. If I tell you 3 days, don't doubt me. Somebody have bet it, and she came from the US. All right, yeah, she's betting with me. She's betting with her, and she came with her daughter. Like, we have to secure this man. You're not gonna see. You said 7 days, yeah. I'm using the product. She's using the product. Her daughter is using the product, and we all started using the product. And yes, in 3 to 7 days, we all see results, and that is how it. So with all that I've just showed you, trust me, it is what it is. Your product, if you do this formula and use the Blend Pro 9 to top it up, that is what we call automatic, 3 days, automatic 3 days whitening product. Using our Blend Pro 9 to mix any of your product is automatic whitening 3 days or 7 days product, depending on your skin now. All right, so it is what it is. No matter how hard your skin is, just use our Blend Pro 9 to mix this formula. I tell you. So bye bye.